Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, fog lamps, front disc rear drum brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.